Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark here, your librarian. There are 3 books I'm going to tell you about that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called Totally Middle School. This book has an eclectic mix of stories from a number of incredible authors and includes a ton of middle school topics that many of you can relate to, like family, friends and fitting in, and finding yourself. All of the stories come in a variety of formats like short stories, poetry, and comic panels, and even artwork. We have a story of the dreaded, dreadful, deadline looming first in my lifetime middle school mixer. We have an advice-laden FaceTime text message exchange between 2 cousins. There's a comic that visualizes finding one's place in an intimidating new setting. And, as funny as it sounds, a story told in part from a dog's perspective about cross-species family life. This is one book dedicated to middle schoolers everywhere, and you will be hooked immediately. I recommend it to you if you're on the lookout for something funny, honest, and relatable. The next book is Black Boy Joy. In this incredible book, Black boys explore their communities, families, space, and time as they come of age and grow in confidence and understanding. Black Boy Joy is picking out a fresh first day of school outfit, saving the universe in an epic intergalactic race, finding your voice and your rhymes during tough times, flying on your skateboard like nobody's watching, and so much more. Celebrate the joys of Black boyhood with stories from 17 fantastic Black authors in this collection of stories, comics, and poems about the power of joy and the wonders of Black boyhood. A perfect choice if you're looking for some humor and a heavy dose of happiness during Black History Month. The last book I'm going to tell you about is Not If I Save You First. Maddie thought she and Logan would be friends forever. But when your dad is a Secret Service agent and your best friend is the president's son, sometimes life has other plans. Before she knows it, Maddie's dad is dragging her to a cabin in the middle of the Alaskan wilderness. No phone, no internet, and not a single word from Logan. Maddie tells herself it's okay. After all, she's the most popular girl for 20 miles in any direction. She has wood to cut and weapons to bedazzle. Her life is full. Until Logan shows up, 6 years later, and Maddie wants to kill him. But before that can happen, an assailant appears out of nowhere, knocking Maddie off a cliff and dragging Logan to some unknown fate. Maddie knows she could turn back and get help, but the weather is turning, the terrain will only get more treacherous, and the animals more deadly. Maddie still really wants to go Logan, but she has to save him first. This is one heart-pounding story full of action, wit, and some incredible girl power. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available for checkout at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to snag a copy and have a great day!